Hello, welcome to another series. This series called Learning or Math with Cami. Because this is math and more with Cami. So today, we will be doing this new one, and it's going to be, can you guys guess? It's decimals. As I'm not the most perfect one, I would just be doing it fast. So we're going to be doing decimals. And to keep in mind that I will not be showing you something like adding or subtracting decimals. I mean, yes, I will be showing you that, but I will not be showing you like stuff like how to convert a fraction into a decimal, or how to convert a fraction into a decimal, because I can show that in a different video. But right now we're just going to be showing you the basics of making a decimal. A decimal is pretty easy to make. Like, it's literally nothing. It's just another way to write a number, and it's just 0 point something or 1 point something. So let's get straight on to the video. So what we're going to start with is the most easiest thing. We're going to start with something simple, like, let's start with something simple like 2.3. 2.3 equals 2 and 3/10. And you learn decimals in 4th grade, which is the year where you learn mixed numbers. And mixed numbers are simple. You should have learned this by now if you're learning decimals, but if you're not, go ahead and ask your teacher, or I can show you what a mixed number is in a different video. So, in a different video in this section. So there. So what I'm going to show you is how I got that. So you can memorize this right here. Whole, which is the 2. Tenths, this is literally place value, and hundredths. And it's pretty simple. You could just remember whole, tenths, and hundredths. And that's a way to remember it. So let's go ahead and add some highlight for you to remember that. Whole, tenths, hundredths. Whole, tenths, hundredths. And then we can remember that. This is actually really important. So, as you can see, I'm going to label them with a bit of gold. So this is the whole, and this is the 10th. And then this number right here, we're going to do an example as in, let's do an easier one, 0.4. 0.4 equals 4/10. I'm going to show you how you can add something like a decimal. Oh, wait. We need to go over the basics first. I forgot. Hundredths. Now let's go over the hundredths. Hundredths, you can literally just do 0.02. That is 2 hundredths. So now let's do a bigger impression, which is this. Let's get started. So let's do 1 point 1.22. 1.22 is 1 and 22 hundredths. You will not see that much. This is not that common, But if you do see something like that, then go ahead and check this video. Of course, you're watching it, so yeah. So let's move on to this corner of the paper, and I'm going to show you how to add fractions, a normal fraction. So let's take the fraction from up here that we did a few minutes ago, and take whatever fraction, 3/10. And this is the basic adding 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4, 5, 6, 7, which is 4 plus 3, 7 equals 7/10. That's pretty simple. Now let's go in through, let's do 2/100ths. 2/100ths plus 4/10ths. Now, I'm going to show you the problem if you do not see it right now, or the area where people get the most confused. 110. And if you know, mostly teachers will show you that you can't add something with two different denominators. So what you will do is you will do equals, and then you will add a 0 here and a 0 here. Oh, also, I messed up. This should be a 0 right here. It's usually a 20, so I'm going to do a basic. But if you guys want to see a harder, I will put like addition to decimals and like level 2 decimals, but that'll be later. So 40 plus 20, 40, 50, 60, 60/100ths. So it's just adding 4 plus 2 and then adding your 0, which is what my teacher said. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. You will bring your 4 plus 2 to 6, and then you will add these two,